Hey, in this video we're going to be learning a root song for Bowl of Them Cabbage. So what that kind of means is we'll be playing the bass line. Like if you were to listen to a rock and roll song, we're going to be playing the bass line to a folk tune called Bowl of Them Cabbage. There's 3 notes in this song. The first one is D, then there's G, and also A. So think back to last week and find on your instrument where each of those strings is. D, G, and A. Okay, so if you're playing violin, that's also what I'm playing. So you can look at what string I'm playing in relation to my nose or the ground and figure out which string for you to pluck. Violas, it's going to be a little bit different. I have a G string closest to my nose, and you have a C string there instead. So if you play viola, just be cautious that you're not watching where I'm plucking, but rather you're thinking through which of the strings applies to you. So I'm going to turn on this machine. It's a clicker. Let's see. It's actually not called a clicker. It's called a metronome. But okay, here we go. 2, ready, and play. D, D, G, G. Alright, that's the first group of notes I want you to learn. Here it is again. D, D, G, G. Okay, just practice that over and over. D, D, G, G. The next group of notes sounds like this. D, D, A, A. Okay, here it is again. D, D, A, A. Let's do that over and over until your finger can grab those strings. D, D, A, A. And then we're going to go back to the very beginning. D, D, G, G. Again, 2. Here we go. D, D, G, G. And then we can say D, A, D, D. Okay, so here's the last section. D, A, D, D. So I want you to pluck that over and over until you have it. D, A, D, D. Okay, so if you understand what's going on, awesome. If you do not quite understand what's going on, let's break this down a little bit. Alright, so in the root song to Bowl Them Cabbage, that's what we're learning, there's 4 different sections. Okay, the first one sounds like this. D, D, G, G. That's section 1. Section 2 sounds like this. D, D, A, A. Section 3 sounds the same as section 1. D, D, G, G. And section 4 is different. D, A, D, D. Alright, so in this video I'm going to put, well, not in this video, but in this section of the video I'm going to put sections 1 and 2 together. 2, 1, 2, here we go. D, D, G, G, D, D, A, A. Okay, here's section 1 and 2 together again. 1, 2, here we go. D, D, G, G, D, D, A, A. Okay, so rewind this if you need to and do that section over and over till you have it. Here's section 3 and 4 together. 1, 2, here we go. D, D, G, G, D, A, D, D. Okay, here's section 3 and 4 again. 1, 2. 1, 2, here we go. D, D, G, G, D, A, D, D. Okay, so now we've covered section 1, section 2, section 3, and section 4. If you remember, section 1 and 3 are the same. Okay, Next, we covered section 1 and 2 together, and we covered section 3 and 4 together. Okay, so the last part of this video is going to be devoted to the whole song. So as you watch this video, stop and start it over and over. Do what you need to learn this song. Okay, so here's section 1, 2, 3, and 4 all together. 1, 2, here we go. D, E, G, G, D, D, E, E, D, D, G, G, D, E, D. Again. D. One more time. Alright, thanks for watching. This is the root song to Boil Them Cabbage.